Hey YouTube, John here. Hey, today we're going to try to mill up a piece of cedar. So let's go up to the mill. You can hear it running, and let's see how pretty this turns out. So this old cedar blew over in a storm last year. It's been sitting out in the pasture. So we drug it on up here now that we have the sawmill, and let's see what we can get out of it. I think it's going to be some pretty results. So this is what you get when you cut into a piece of cedar. Is that not beautiful? What we'll do is we'll make 1-inch boards out of this. Figure out what to do with it later. If you guys could smell this, you'd be in heaven. We flip this baby over 180 degrees. And we'll try to square it up this way. It's not how we usually do it, but I think it'll work. That's what you call a live edge slab of cedar. Isn't that something? I hope y'all enjoying the video. If you would hit that like and subscribe button, we'll keep the channel going and bring you more content like this. I might be satisfied just nailing these boards to my bedroom wall and just enjoying the visuals. So I think these pieces here are going to serve as armrests. One of the fellows has a plan to make a bench out of this stuff. Should be a pretty nice bench. Hey, I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you like the content. We'll create some more footage of stuff like this. We're Hoof and Homestead. This is what we do.